Today, we're going to cover a super useful skill, how to create a Zoom meeting and share the link through WhatsApp. Whether you're setting up a team meeting, a family catch up, or a virtual event, this guide will help you get it done in no time. So let's dive right in. First, we need to create a Zoom meeting. Let's start by opening the Zoom app. Open the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device and log in if you're not already. If you're on a computer, you'll be using the Zoom desktop client. If you're on a mobile, use the Zoom mobile app. On the Zoom home screen, click or tap on Schedule. Fill in the meeting details like the topic, description, and time. Once you're done, click on Save. Now that your meeting is scheduled, let's get the meeting link. In the desktop app, go to Meetings and find the meeting you just created. Click on it to open the details. You will see a section labeled Invite the link. Now, on phone, simply tap on it, click on Add Attendance, and click on Copy to Clipboard. Now, open your WhatsApp and simply paste it, and this is how you create a Zoom meeting and share the link through WhatsApp.